So back to this topic of the janazah as we conclude, because it looks as though we'll have to continue again in another khutbah, bi'idhnillah, inshallah. Couldn't get to it, but I was trying to remind myself and you why we want to refer to this incident. How important it is to get the blessings. So, even though we're in the pandemic and everything is in Zoom and online, mashallah, you Zoom and you online. But don't be offline with people. Because when we die, online wouldn't really come to bear in your janazah. Yeah? Others, they'll pray janazah on the Zoom for you. And say, boom. Boom, he's gone. Not Zoom, they will be here. Boom. Say, yeah, no problem. Research online, on Zoom, but don't disconnect. This is Islamic to have Muslims connected to their salah, to the masjid, to the community. Everything is designed with something ijtimai, congregational. With the barakat that when we die, people will know us to come to our janazah. Doesn't matter how much you tell people. Yeah, 1, 2 will come. But please, that's an important thing, and I wanted to reiterate that today, bi'idhnillah, because, any one of us can die anytime. And I feel so sad when you go to some janazas and you got to look for people to pray janazah. That is a little sad, which means the person, illa mashallah, was not connected with the community. Our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there are a lot of riwayats, muhaddithin, so many different commentary when he passed away, but just briefly in the 5 minutes or 10 minutes, inshallah.